PLCs play a crucial role in industrial automation. Various popular PLC brands are available. In today's video, we will discuss about top 5 PLC brands. Let's start the video. Siemens is one of the most popular PLC brands in the market. Siemens offers a wide range of products, and their PLCs are known for their quality and reliability. Their PLCs are featured under their Simatic S7 series. The S7 series can be categorized into 5 different categories. The popular models of the S7 series are S7 200, S7 300, S7 400, S7 1200, and S7 1500. Allen Bradley. Allen Bradley is the second most trusted PLC brand. They offer micro, small, and large PLC controllers. Allen Bradley PLC comes in 3 different categories: micro logics, compact logics, and control logics. The Micro Logics series is a family of low-cost PLCs designed for small-scale applications. The Compact Logics series is a family of modular PLCs designed for mid-range applications, while Control Logic series PLCs are designed for larger and more complex applications. ABB is also one of the leading manufacturers of industrial equipment, and their PLCs are also very popular. Their PLCs are easy to customize and have high processing power. ABB PLCs come in under the AC500 series. The popular models of the AC500 series are AC500 Eco, AC500S, AC500XC and AC500XC Scalable. The next popular PLC brand is Schneider, which is a European industrial and electrical equipment manufacturer. Schneider also offers a wide range of PLCs, suitable for almost any application. They offer a huge PLC product line. Modicon is the brand name of Schneider PLCs. Modicon PLC series include Modicon M241, Modicon M251 and Modicon M262. Modicon M340, Modicon M580 and Modicon Premium. And finally, let us see another popular PLC brand, that is Mitsubishi Electric. Mitsubishi is a Japanese company that provides various electrical and electronics products. Their Melsec PLC brand is widely used in various industries for automation and control applications. Popular product range of Mitsubishi Melsec PLCs series are Melsec IQ-F Compact Series, Melsec F Compact Series, Melsec L Standard Series, Melsec IQ-R Series, and Melsec Q Series. Thank you for joining us to explore the top 5 PLC brands. We have covered the industry leaders. Whether you are an expert or a newcomer, understanding these brands is vital. Stay tuned for more updates in the world of automation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for further content. Keep innovating with PLC technology.